Okay, welcome to the CodeCreatively Demo. So this is the home page where we can scroll down, get some information about the site. So first of all, we have the Play page, which is an open world exploration of the CodeCreatively game engine and the JavaScript programming language. We have the Create page, where users can use our custom JavaScript game engine to build their own projects, share them, and put them out into the community for everyone to explore. So we have the Explore page, where users can explore everybody's projects, remix them, and learn from others. So we can start off and log in with our test account, just like that. And we can start off with the Play page. So this is the Play page where users can explore the open world, complete challenges, and get comfortable with the engine and the JavaScript programming language. So we can start at the first level, and it's going to have some instructions on the side just like this that tell us what to do. So this is the code for our player object, and we're going to start off by just writing a comment. So we can complete the challenge if we make a mistake. It's going to tell us exactly what we did wrong, so we can change our mistake and complete the level. Users are going to be able to complete all of these levels, work through these custom worlds, and then they're going to be able to purchase upper level subscription tiers for more advanced explorations of the JavaScript language and the engine itself. So next up, we have the Create page, where users are able to create and save their own projects. So first of all, we have the code box over here, which allows us to control the code for this player. We have the code guide, which shows us what all the code does and gives us the opportunity to cross-check if we ever have any ideas about what we want to do. So for example, if we want to do player movement, we can check the move tile function, see the direction, get an example. Simple as that. We can change the tiles. We can change the colors up here. So if we wanted to make the green of the grass something like red, we'd be able to do that right there. We can change the name of objects and tiles so that we can reference them by name. And you can see right here we have a simple function start, we have function update, and this allows us to control the player with the arrow keys up, left, down, right. We can hit play, and we can see that we are moving around with WASD, just like that. We can create additional objects, write custom code for them, just like that. And then we can combine the functionalities of all of our objects. It's all segmented, so it's very easy to see what each individual object is doing and what each individual tile is doing. So we can download our projects to run them in the browser as HTML files, which means they can be shared anywhere. They can be exported, sent to a friend, embedded on a website. Makes it very, very simple to have it as exporting as HTML, just like that. So then once we're done, we can save our project. So I'm going to call this one test project. This is my project. And we can choose whether to make it public and findable on the Explore page, or private and visible to just me and those with my link. So I'm going to make it public for the purpose of this example. And now we have our page. It's been generated at an automatic path. Now we can share it at that path. So we can click this link. It'll take us to this project, just like so. And this will allow us to play the project. It will allow us to add comments. So we can make a comment on the project, we can star it, we can edit it, so we can remix it, share, download, all of that. We can shorten the URL if we want, just to make it a little simpler for sending to people. And we can also change the path. So let's say I wanted this to be at just test. Well, I can update that, and it's as simple as that. Now if I go to this link, I'm going to have my project just like that. We can change the settings anytime, title, description, and we can always see all of our projects on the projects page. So this is my only project right now. It has 1 star, that's me. I can edit the data, share it right from this screen, delete it, just like that. So now I can go to the Explore page and see what other people have been doing. These are projects created by the community. At this point in time, we just have a few testers on the program, and we don't have a significant user base building projects like we plan to in the future. We're going to have ways to sort through these projects, remix them, star them, and just build an online community that is really excited about creating these games and sharing them very, very easily through links, exporting as HTML, very portable. So I have a few test projects that I've created myself. So we can go into this one, for example. We can star it. We can add a comment, just like that. Share it just like before. Shorten the link if we want. Very, very easy. Download it for our own use. And next up, we also have plans. So these are the plans that are going to allow users to have more projects, the more advanced paths, and this is how we're planning to make the majority of our revenue. We're also planning on adding advertisements for free users to make revenue off of the free user base that is hopefully going to be building up our core project set that users can learn from. We're planning to add custom plans for schools, for firms that want to have a bunch of users on one plan, so that is hopefully going to be another way to generate a lot of mass revenue. Additionally, our operating costs are very low, as one of the only primary things that has to scale at this point in time is our database of users, our database of projects. We're not really tethered to anything physical. It's all in the web, in the browser, very easy. So we can also customize our profile. We can edit our bio, and I like making games. Very simple. We can even edit our own profile just like this, change our hair color, save it, and it makes it all very easy and very intuitive to use. So yeah, just to recap, we have the play page where users can explore the world, complete challenges, get used to building in the JavaScript programming language, and using our custom JavaScript game engine. Then we have the create page where users can create their own projects. They can save them, share them, download them, learn from the code guide over here, which displays all of the built-in functions that they can use. The functions that they will learn through the play page and going through those steps. And then finally, we have the explore page where users can explore projects created by the community, comment on them, engage with the users, star them, remix them, and essentially just create an online platform for loving JavaScript and coding creatively. So that has been my demo of Code Creatively, and thank you for your consideration.